today's buyers seeking in a Maryland home, and how's the market? It's Friday, July 14th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. Buyers today are still looking for that great kitchen, lots of counter space, cabinets, pantry, island, newer appliances. Add lighting to the list too, because no one wants a dark kitchen nowadays. They also want dining areas. Many builders stop adding dining rooms thinking that the modern buyer didn't want a formal area for eating. Not so quick. Buyers are passing on homes without separate dining areas unless they can work in something with a renovation. Oh, in tubs. Yeah, I know that many builders and homeowners renovated their baths and removed the tub to opt in for a stand-up shower. But high on the list of many home buyers is a soaking tub. If a bathroom cannot be remodeled to add a soaking tub, it may be a no-no on the buyer's list. Check out my video for other insights on what buyers are asking for in this market, Maryland, Annapolis, and surrounding areas. Inventory dropped to 95 resale homes in all three zip codes of Annapolis, with 25 that hit the market over the past week. There are 13 homes coming to the market soon. 24 went under contract and 9 went pending. 22 sold in the past week, selling in just 6 days at 100% list to sold ratio, which again looks like the new normal. The highest priced home to sell was a waterfront in Eastport's Horn Point for $9,500,000. There are 25 homes for lease in Annapolis at a median $3,000 per month. And that looks like a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, July 14th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe, and I'll see you next week.